I want to paint something, but I don't really know what I want to paint, so we're just going to wing it. We'll start with some hot pink. Throw some down around here. Maybe a little magenta in there. And jungle green on top. Come on now. Spray, spray, spray. A little bit of lagoon. I'm going to hold this down with my flash sock and swipe, swipe, swipe. Shisha. Dab, dab, yeah. Dope. Give it a little bit of shadow. It's right there. Cover it up with my Sha bowl. Now I'm thinking some grape up here in the edges. An Oasis blue, which is one of my favorite colors, but they've been out of it for like a year. And now I finally got some more. Shisha. Put that down there. An island splash. Just a little bit lighter. Now we'll poop out a couple stars. Just like this. Yeah, 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 yeah. We'll give it some shine right there. Maybe put a little fluorescent pink in that shine. A bit more white right back. Shisha. With some clear coat, let's spray right over here. Lauren got me an actual palette knife and I haven't used it yet, so we're gonna try to use it. I just want to put in like a little, yeah, yeah. We're making a castle. Trust the process. Like a fortress. It's an alien fortress. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. Meadow green, lagoon, and some marigold. Foam brush. I don't know what I'm doing. I really have no clue. Put some ground up in here. Yeah. This seems to be working a little bit better. Yeah, pretty good. Let's do a little one right here too. You know what? Maybe we got a little tree that lives right here. Little, yeah. Branches. One goes over here. One from over here. And yeah. Some little branches off. Just block this off. Spray brilliant blue like this. Some of that hot pink. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. And white. Take this off. Just very carefully swipe. Swipe, 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 swipe. Swipe, 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 swipe. Shoop. Shoop, 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 shoop. Shoop, 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 shoop. Now I'm just gonna add on a little bit of detail around the shoreline. Yeah. And white. Dab, 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 dab. And here's the finished painting. That's dope.